Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla number plate light. First, gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the lights are switched off before you begin. This prevents any electrical issues and ensures your safety throughout the process. Locate the number plate lights, usually above the license plate. Next, carefully use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the clear plastic lens cover. Be gentle to avoid cracking or damaging the plastic. Once the cover is removed, you will see the bulb holder. This holder typically twists into place. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Then, pull it straight out. Now, with the bulb holder in hand, gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It might be a bit snug, but it should come out without much force. Take your new replacement bulb and carefully insert it into the socket. Make sure it is fully seated. Try to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. To reassemble, push the bulb holder back into its housing and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Ensure it feels secure and doesn't wobble. Then, carefully align the plastic lens cover and snap it back onto the housing until it clicks firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm that the new number plate light is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.